Hey guys, so now hiking.
We're gonna go hiking, and we are on the Spruce Trail right now. So we got Taylor on Mom's back again. Zoe's here. Emily's here. I got a backpack full of snacks, and we're gonna try the Spruce Trail first, and then the Hall of Moss Trail after that. Hopefully, we'll see how long it takes us and how TJ's doing.
Okay, so let's go. Let's go.
Get going.
I want to show you guys this. It's so pretty, and it's like a little creek, and guys, I just love it. It's so pretty.
Careful, careful, Zoe. Careful, Zoe.
And I brought Rainbow with me.
Okay, let's get going. Hiking.
Finished this trail and we ended up by the river, so we're gonna go check it out, and then we're going to go on a different trail.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Hey Zoe.
Hi.
What you doing? You on a fallen tree there? Let me get a side shot.
I really like this.
Whoa.
It's not that steep too.
That's good.
I'm gonna go under here. Get that. So, hop off. Get under here.
Under and over.
Whoa. She's climbing up pretty good.
Hey guys!
It's like nature's jungle gym.
I really love nature.
Why do you love nature?
Because it's so much fun.
Alright, we're eating lunch after our hike, and here comes a deer.
Oh, no. It's coming
right through our camp. Look, TJ. Show TJ, Mom.
Taylor,
He wants to see a deer.
Look at the deer. You see the deer? Look. You see the deer? Deer. Like a horse. No. Hey. You see him? See the deer? You see the deer?
Right now we're eating
the frying fun.
we're eating some hot dogs, cup of noodle, some pho.
I like their van.
You see the deer, TJ? You
Guys,
see the deer?
guys, I've actually holding a baby deer at our house, and it was a newborn.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Oh yeah, there's another one over here.
I know, there's one. I saw 2 deer this morning too.
Yeah, me and Mom saw 2 deer. Or did you see them here? Or was it one that
Yeah, no, I saw him with you this morning.
Oh, there he is. He's going to the river, it looks like. Or she's going to the river.
At first I thought that one was like coming right up to us.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we are at the river. The girls are...
I literally washed my legs, then I washed my hair with shampoo, and now
Yep, they're taking a bath, and Mom is doing the bubbles. Whoa, jeez. Whoa, 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 whoa. And Taylor over here. Not food, Taylor, not food.
Bubbles are really like going crazy up there.
Yeah. Oh, this thing's gonna fly away. And yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go see how cold this water is. Maybe I'll pick a bath. Let's go see. Whoa, jeez. This thing's huge. Wow, and it just split in the air. Wow, that one's gonna do the same thing. Wow.
That's like some physics.
Yeah, that is. Oh my gosh, what is it doing? That's ridiculous.
Oh wow, Michael.
Oh my gosh, I missed it.
That all popped.